Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to stitch yourself up in Project Zomboid. To stitch yourself, you must have the right item in your inventory. The easiest and safest tool is a suture needle, which you can find in medicine cabinets, first aid kits, and hospitals. If you don't have one, you can still stitch with a regular needle and thread, but it will cause more pain to your character. Next, press H or click the heart icon on the left side of the screen to open your health panel. Locate the deep wound text. Right-click the deep wound text to bring up the context actions. If you have a suture needle or needle plus thread in your inventory, you'll see the stitch option. Select it. Your character will automatically perform the stitch action. A progress bar shows the time it takes, and you're not allowed to move while it's still in progress. For best results, disinfect the wound with a bottle of disinfectant, alcohol wipes, or boiled water before or after stitching to reduce infection risk. And finally, apply a bandage once the stitch is done. If you don't see the stitch option, double check that it's a deep wound, not just a laceration, and that the necessary items are in your main inventory. Deep wounds won't offer stitching without those supplies. And that's how you stitch yourself up in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.